Hello, this is John Longcroft-Neal here, and it is Sunday the 1st of September 2024, and I'm off to Stoke Golden Airfield. Because it has come to my attention that there is an event on here of some sort. There's a lot of small planes here, and I'm going to go in, I hope, and see what's going on, have a chat with a few people. It looks like fun. Oh, Sir Michael lights. I have to say, I always find it exciting. That's great. Well, that's a good sign. Straight in. No problem. My, look at these bikes. It's got to be a Harley. Morning. Or afternoon by now. It's all right, I'm not coming by. I'm just waiting here for a minute. This young lad in the right hand seat looks like he might be about 12.
He's a regular flyer.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the youngest age you can actually fly?
14.
And what about solo?
18.
Right. So what is the event here today? What's...
Just an informal flying.
Yeah.
A fun day basically.
Yeah.
Meeting people aviation in the aviation world.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, I've sat here and had no end of people come and say, "Hello, Bob."
Yeah.
I haven't seen for many years.
Where have you, I see your staff's on your hat there. Have you flown in today?
No.
You've driven in?
My car. I live in Tamworth.
Oh, right, yeah.
And my airfield is Tate Hill.
Right. What do you fly when you do?
Tobago T10.
All right, okay. Big thanks there to Bob for that chat. So then after the air traffic took off, we could make our way across the airfield, only to see this rather delicious looking, is it a gyrocopter? Wow. Then I meet up with the wonderful gentleman Tim, who owns this airfield and organised this day. I've got a drone with me. Okay. And my wife said, it's either definitely not or, yeah, that's interesting, because everybody's a flyer around here, so they know what's going on.
Yeah.
So if I had 5 minutes, 10 minutes, most of the bloody planes are gone now anyway.
Well, it's definitely not while there's aerial activity.
Okay.
Otherwise, we'd lose our licence.
I know,
straight away.
yeah, I know.
But once the aircraft's gone, but the only trouble then is once the aircraft's gone, there's not a great deal.
No.
But you know, just generally around the airfield.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have another.
Yeah.
Do whatever I can.
Yeah. As long as you do it from over this side, and I'm there.
Sure.
And I can keep
Absolutely.
my eyes open. And if I hear anything, as long as we can get straight down.
Yeah. I've got it. So what's the occasion? Just a good day out for everybody.
Just exactly that.
Yeah.
We don't do it for any other reason than we just, you know, we have the air. We operate the airfield, and then we always think it's nice just to throw it open for a day and let everybody come and enjoy it and do what they want. Picnic tables out. Yeah. Have tea and cakes.
Absolutely.
Sit around, have a look at the planes.
Just the weather buggered it up this year.
Well, it's okay today. Today's good.
It ain't been too bad today, I know.
It was. Yeah, I mean, it's buggered up for a lot of airfields have had issues and so on. But I mean, this was scheduled, you probably know, for last week. Yeah. We had to knock that on the head because it was just not going to happen.
Right, let's get back to this gyrocopter and have a closer look, and the gentleman who owns it and flies it.
That was really kind of the man to let you sit in, wasn't it?
So let's have a word with Mike, the owner and pilot.
I can stop in midair and literally just do it.
Yeah, I was just saying, if you just stop, just so long the rotor's still going.
Yeah. And so long as I've got air coming up underneath me, I'm fine.
Yeah. This is a beautiful machine as well.
It's okay.
Absolutely.
It's affordable. You don't need to be Mr. Wealthy to run it. Probably I'd say the cost of a good quality family car to run about £30 an hour.
So what make is this?
This is Auto Gyro.
Yeah.
Imported by a company called Rotorsport, and hence the name on there.
Sure.
But although a bit like a Hoover vacuum cleaner, people call them Hoovers.
Yeah.
It's Auto Gyro is what it actually is, but the German company bought the name, so
it's German made, is it?
it's German made, UK assembled.
Yeah.
In this case, and it's an Austrian engine.
So when it comes to what's the power in that engine? How many horsepower?
Only 115. So it's low powered,
Yeah.
high revving.
Yeah. Here we see the warm-hearted generosity of these flyers, because a little boy came up to Mike and asked him if he was going to fly the Auto Gyro. He wasn't going to actually, but his arm was twisted.
It might do. My arm's getting further and further up my back.
They're refusing to go until this one's come.
Be persuaded. The little one there.
Anyway, Tim, thank you very much indeed.
Okay,
I'll
have a safe trip.
anyway, yeah, thanks a
And,
lot.
we'll
Bye-bye.
look forward to-
Yeah, ta-ra. Well, what a time and place to sign off. That was absolutely superb. I mean, most of the planes have gone now, but that was just a fantastic afternoon. And Tim and all the other fellas here, really, really helpful, very friendly. And I think that's what's nice about these flyers. They are just nice people, having the time of their lives, and people are sat out in the afternoon. I say sunshine, it's not sunshine, but it's just really friendly and lovely afternoon. Yeah, so thanks for watching, everyone, and you will see me next time. Okay, bye-bye. Look at this. Wow. Wow. And it's parked next to my bike.